Yep, by all part 2 of just swapping over the AC accumulator. So on part 1 I managed to get the bolts unseized, so now they're nice and loose, which is cool. So you've got this one here actually was very tricky, and you know, but once I sort of give it a little bit of a tap just to release it, there was a ton of dirt underneath here. But once I sort of scraped out all that, it's all nice. This is still in pretty good condition, so I'll sort of give it a little gentle file around. I don't want to take it too much metal, obviously I could go absolutely perfect, but I don't want to take away too much metal because I'm guessing that probably sort of crushes to make the seal. On the other side here, got the device in there, and there's a rubber seal that goes in there which I've hooked out, and I've got a stack of new seals here from DeLorean Go. Cleaned out the wire, the socket at the end. So now I'm going to give it a bit more of a clean in here, reinstall the seal, have a look and see if I need to have any seals for this. Also I've got the device here, so I'll find out which way that one there goes on. I'll also remove this switch here and clean it up and put the new seals on there if required, but I think that I've got new seals, but I'm pretty sure that that is actually the same seal, so I'll clean that out and put that on properly, which is good. Put that in place up there, and then I can reconnect once I've cleaned this hose here. I can then attach it up as well. So all looking good. But definitely much easier once you put loads of releasing fluid, and just be really careful. Nice one.